In today's video, we will discuss about how you can reset or reinstall your Windows operating system. In my case, I use Windows 11, but the same options you will find on Windows 10, for example. To reset your Windows operating system, you need to open the Settings window, either by right-clicking the Start menu, choosing Settings, or by simply typing Settings into the same Start menu. Let's go ahead and open it. Once the Settings window open, scroll down till you see Recovery and click on that. You're now presented with the option to reset this PC. Let's go ahead and click that. Now you're presented with two options. One, to either keep your personal files like documents, pictures, videos, and the second one is to remove everything, including your personal files, apps, and even all your settings. If you think that you need a full wipe of your device, and this could be from different reasons, please make sure that you have a full backup of all your personal documents or all your personal files, either to cloud storage like OneDrive or Dropbox, depends what you're using, or simply export everything to an external USB drive. I actually use both cases just to make sure that I have a double backup. Okay, let's say, for example, that you're going to choose to keep all your personal files, and let's go ahead and click that. Now you're presented with two options. One is cloud download, which will download a freshly new copy of Windows directly from the Microsoft website. The second option is to do local reinstall, which will actually reinstall your Windows using the system files located on your device already. The second option is much faster, especially if your Wi-Fi connection is not very fast, and downloading 4 gigabytes of data can take another 15-20 minutes. Once you choose your desired option, Windows will start the reset process and will reboot once completed. All your device's drivers will be the same, and you will only need to go through the initial user configuration to gain access back to your device. I hope this video was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. All the best.